Are you ready for me?
Yes, always.
Always ready for me.
Ganyang peg, ha?
Ganyan, ganyan talaga. Wala talaga.
Ganyan na ganyan.
Of course. Mas maganda ka ba?
Iba talaga, no?
Ganyan
Gusto ko
talaga.
daw.
I know. Sabi ko, uy,
For 1
ako
year.
gagawa kay Madja. Kailangan gawin ko siya.
So,
Kasi mamimiss mo kapag hindi.
I don't know if it's just my hormones or what.
Yes.
So, after giving birth,
Yes.
parang mas dumami yung insecurities. No. Before talaga, may lines naman may neck.
Yes.
And then, while I'm in Canada, syempre wala akong ibang ginagawa kundi mag-scroll, scroll. And I saw Heart and Bea did this. So, I asked them if pwede rin.
Talagang,
So,
yes.
you know,
Okay naman, of
so,
course.
nag-gain ako ng weight. So, nag-gain din yung neck ko ng weight.
Hello naman. Hello na nabuntis siya at nanganak siya. Paano naman di magiging ang weight?
So, alam nyo,
Oh.
ako, parang kahit na gusto mo nung ibalik yung old self mo at bigyan yung sarili mo ng more time. Minsan yung parang naiinip ka because, hindi ko alam, baka sanay lang ako sa
Mabilis.
mabilis at saka yung parang lagi kang, siguro sa work kasi parang lagi kang nakaglam out. And then, now that I'm not working, mas mamamanch ako now eh. And then, lagi ko nakikita yung sarili ko sa mirror na parang, yung gusto ko lang i-cheer up yung self ko. Kaya laging parang, ano ba pwede magawa sa IB? Ano ba pwede magawa sa IB?
Oh, hindi. Pero in all seriousness, I'm so happy that you're so open about post-pregnancy. Blues ba tawag? Post-pregnancy reality.
Yeah.
Postpartum issues, di ba? That women are facing nowadays. And you know, ang maganda dyan kasi, Madge, maraming makaka-relate because a lot of women after giving birth, I think if you feel this way, a lot of women feel that way as well.
Yeah.
And it's so nice na, actually, since you're talking about it, yung nararamdaman mo after you gave birth, parang feeling ko marami kang matutulungan na mothers who just gave birth and are also feeling or are in the exact same predicament na nararamdaman mo ngayon. Diba? Kasi kung
Tsaka, feeling ko, nararamdaman na ng body ko rin na yung gusto ko nang maging maganda ulit. Yeah. Nasaktuhan lang na, kasi nagbe-breastfeeding ako. So, ang dami kong tanong, anong pwedeng gawin, facial lang, facial. So, ngayon, kasi wala na eh.
Wala
Parang,
na.
naubos na yung milk ko.
Yes.
Kasi hanggat maaari, di ba, gusto ko continuous lang.
Of course.
Gusto ko mag-breastfeeding lang.
Yes, yes.
But syempre, hindi mo naman mapipilit yung body mo na
To produce it.
Wala na, di ba?
Oo naman, Madge. Ilang months ka na?
7
Oh,
months.
7 months. Actually, for 7 months for someone like you who's also a working mom, and you're also working still in between. That's already mahaba. Mahaba na yung 7 months. I think you've already, I guess, as a mom, because sometimes we also want to do everything. Lalo pag first time natin, gusto natin tayo yung gagawa lahat. So parang breastfeeding is one, that parang check mo na yung bucket list na breastfeeding.
Kaya kung ma-check nyo, kung may time lang lagi ko post sila, lagi ako nandito ng 2 to 5 p.m. Kasi yun lang yung window na nagnanap si Maria and then playtime niya. So, makakabalik ako ng bahay. Ako yung mag-feed sa kanya for dinner because nagsa-solids na.
Oh, wow. And oh my gosh, it's so nice.
Kailangan talagang mabalance.
Grabe, alam mo, ibang-iba na si Mama. Kasi, diba, I've seen her, I mean, she was still single, she was, wala kang boyfriend, tapos biglang nagkilala mo si Rambo, we were part of that journey. Tapos
Nina.
Yes! Nag-engage na siya, na-engage siya kay Rambo, tapos na-pregnant, tapos nanganak, ngayon naman, magbabalik alindog ulit. I mean, it's so nice.
Alindog program.
It's so nice that we've been through.
I did M-Scalp now and Emerald laser.
Yes.
So, lahat ng body treatments.
Ang maganda lang kasi is, nakikita natin yung journey mo to go from after giving birth hanggang yung babalik ka sa yung back to your old mama. Maganda makikita natin yung journey mo and at least people can see ano ba yung pwedeng gawin pala. Ano ba yung pwedeng treatments. So, like Ma is on her 7th month, so now we're working on her body aside from her face, no? So, for the body, we're doing her body treatments like M-Scalp and as you said, the Emerald. So, ito yung mga pwedeng treatments na safe after giving birth na makakatulong. So maganda, at least we can make a program for you. Maha will prove to you na kayang gawin yan. My challenge is prove to everybody na mababalik natin yung Maha.
Wait lang kayo guys.
Ha?
Manage.
Of course, hindi naman tagatin 100% mababalik. And it's not something, hindi instant.
Yeah.
Di ba? But ang yes, hindi naman. Pero ang goal natin is to achieve your body goals.
Yeah.
Na parang feeling mo, this is it. Confident na ako. I'm back and I can wear whatever I want. Or I can go out. Diba?
Kaya, pansin nyo, kulang ang Ivy Girls ni Doc nung birthday niya.
I know.
Because ano talaga ako, beg off. Sabi ko, Doc. Alam ko
Not this year.
Alam ko may mga pictorial dyan. Tapos magkakadikit. Ay, ang ganda-ganda ko last year. This year, wala akong laban. Especially na yung with damit.
Yes.
Kailangan na so,
That's right. What I like is this is real talk. I mean, you're so open about it na meron ka ring moments na na-insecure ka, na ayaw lumabas, and you don't want to do the party kasi you want to be how you... Di ba gusto mo yung parang confident ka?
Yun naman yung gusto ko. Yung maging confident ako. Acceptance is the key.
Yes.
But I think kailangan kong may help. So ngayon guys, since hindi na ako nag-breastfeeding, na nagla-latch sa akin si Maria, ito ang pinaka-first ko. My neck.
Let's do it.
Yes.
Yes, let's do this
Let's
one.
do it because you have a flight.
Yes. Unless sasama ka na sa airport. Gagawin ko sa
Why
airport
not?
yan. Hindi ko siya matitiis.
Yeah, di baling.
Yes.
Ano.
Kahit na malate ako sa airport. Kahit na ngarag ako.
Si Doc Z na mauna
Mag-check in na siya.
Sorry, Doc Z.
Mag-check in na siya. Ayan.
Patay na patay yung pagkakagawa nito.
Ang galing mo.
Ganda, diba?
Patingin nga. Ang talagang sumayin.
Kasi pumayat ako eh. Kaya naman yung kamay ko.
Papayat din ako.
Ayun.
So guys, ganito ang challenge. So weekly, dapat mag-ID ako. Tapos pag na-achieve ko yung goal ko, yung weight na gusto ko, pupunta tayo sa bahay ni Doc sa closet niya. Tapos iba-blindfold niya ako. Tapos saan at pipili lang ako ng gusto ko.
Why not?
Bag, damit, shoes.
Pareho ba tayo ng paa?
Kaso, ang pipinpoint ko,
Oh.
the 5 carats. Joke lang.
Of course, anything for you. Alam mo yan.
Thank you for your
Alam mo
time.
naman, anything for you. Marami akong mga 5 karing doon na hindi naman... Alam mo yun, marami akong magbibigay mga mukhang 5 carats.
Alam niyo kung bakit hindi siya makaalis kahit may flight na siya?
Bakit?
I messaged her last week. Tapos sabi ko, diba lagi ako, Doc. But for the first time, naglakas sa loob ako. Sabi ko, Nina, I want to be pretty na.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
That's true. That's right.
Sabi niya, come na. Sabi niya,
Yes.
iyak.
Oh, ay,
Hormones, mami. Ano mo yan? Alam mo something dito?
Alam mo, totoo yan. Totoo yan.
Hindi, but at least thanks. I appreciate it.
And I appreciate you messaging me and
Ako, alam, mami talaga, guys.
Totoo yan. Totoo yan. Meron talaga.
Oo.
Pero
kahit na anong sabi.
Bakit kayo umiiyak?
Kaya nagulat ako, 2 a.m. sumagot. Come na sa clinic.
Alam mo naman,
sumasagot pa talaga.
Alam mo naman pang madaling araw ang beauty ko eh. Alam mo naman pagkatapos, kapag work ka ng pang-relax ko, sumasagot ko lahat ng mga messages.
Baka naman ako sagutin kasi iniwan ka na ng doctor.
Feeling ko. But really, I really feel like, Maha talaga, parang it's so easy to be your friend. And I feel how sincere. Sincere kasi talaga to as a person. Tsaka, hindi showbiz, napaka-light. Parang, yung friendship natin is really real friendship.
And we have the same energy.
Yes, agree. Agree.
Niniwala ko.
Oo, tsaka bet talaga nito eh. Tsaka talagang fun.
Ano ba mabait ka din?
Ay, oo.
Inuunti-unti lang pala.
Kaya pala eh. No? Pero talaga. I love you much.
I love you.
And we are here. And you're welcome back. Well, kahit hindi mo pinuntahan yung birthday ko last year, di ako nagtapos sa'yo. Kahit na, siya ang life of the party. Kasi the year before, si Maha yung nagpa-tulog sa akin. Tapos na-miss ko, nagpa-shot sa akin hanggang nakatulog ako. Sa last year, na-miss ko, ikaw. Na-feel ko yung absence mo. I I love you. I love you.
Uy pa kami.
Oh, diba? Bye guys. I will leave Match kasi I have to go. I'm leaving on a jet plane.
Okay.
Don't know when I'll be back
Bye,
again.
Lavender Fields.
Ay, oh, diba?
Bye, sir. Fly namin.
Oh, bye, love you.
A message. Okay.
Bakit
back.
may meeting?
Yes.
Parang marami nag-meeting dito. Parang pupunta dito naka-suit.
Today's meeting day, dog.
Yes,
because
ha?
we are meeting.
Yes.
you.
Yeah, ha? Yes.
Wait, what day is it today? Wednesday.
Today is a Thursday.
Oh my God.
Grabe, hindi na alam ni
Thursday na.
Kylie. Tingnan mo naman ang outfit ni
No, I
Kylie.
came from the Sola office kasi
Ang ganda na.
Thank you. It's from my favorite brand. The one I keep
Oh,
wearing.
yes!
It's super easy to wear kasi.
Tingnan niyo naman yung waistline. My God. Diyos ko.
12.
Luwag pa.
12
Ano ba?
waist.
12 ba ang waistline mo?
I wish, Doc.
Love
I
ba yan?
super wish. I wish. Doc,
Oh,
hindi
ano?
nga eh. Hinahabol kita.
Ay! My gosh! Nakakaya naman sa'yo. Nahiya naman ako sa'yo. Ikaw na yung ring of sarili mo, Kylie.
Yeah.
Ganda.
Better.
Ang ganda. I like it.
Thank
It's
you,
so
Doc.
natural.
This was 5 minutes. I recorded
My
that.
God.
Ito 5-10 minutes.
Ang ganda.
Pero this...
Ang ganda ng tokil mo. Ang
Here?
ganda ng
Tumila
blend
mo.
mo ng
Tumila mo.
ang ganda ng blush.
Oh, thank you. This is
Ganda.
strokes lang.
Ang ganda.
Like lang.
Oo nga. ang
Sometimes
ganda.
it's better than a makeup
Makeup,
artist.
ang ganda. I love it. So, we're gonna work on the neck. Kasi ang ganda na ng face ni Kylie. But we have to work on her necklines. We can do this once a month. Yeah.
I super love it. I saw the effect mga 3-4 days after and immediately parang mas naging plump, hydrated.
Di ba hindi dry ang skin?
Yeah. Like it was injected with collagen or something.
I'm glad you love it.
I do, and I saw the effect right away though.
That's why she's coming back for more.
Yes.
Right? Woohoo! One down, one to go. And Kylie, can you tell them what we're doing next?
Okay, so I'm super conscious because I know aging shows not only on the face and neck, but hands, knees, and feet. No? And I'm super conscious about my feet. Parang it's the second thing I look at. Face and then feet. I don't know, ever since I was a kid, so super conscious ako. Like, I always have to have my nails done. And always, so every time I look at my feet, parang I can see the veins
Okay.
already.
Yes.
And parang aging shows on the feet. So I kind of want to do it on the feet also.
So we have to make Kylie's feet nice.
Yes.
So it's not uncommon for people to request treatment for their feet. Eh, kailangan naman talaga totality. Woo! We're done on one foot.
Oh my god.
Oh, we're done. What can you say about my pattern? I hope you like it.
I'm so excited.
I hope you like my pattern. Right, it's my
I'm
work
so
of art.
excited.
We're done. See? That's
It's
it.
my first procedure.
First time sa feet, Kylie.
And I know I'm not the only one who
Yeah.
wants this.
I'm sure there's others there who are conscious of their feet, so at least now you know there's a treatment, right, Kylie?
True. I'm so excited, Doc.
I
Thank you.
know, and I'm excited to see the results also.
Me too.
At least they know pwedeng gawin to.
Yeah.
Kasi si Kylie ang model. Ang feet model natin.
Thank you so much,
I'm
Doc.
so happy to, my last patient for today.
Oh, perfect.
Yes. My last patient since I got back.
Thank
Nice.
you,
I love the
Doc.
bag.
Thank you, Doc.
I'll see you.
I'll see you.
I'll see you.
I need to get my phone.
Ah, yes, go.
Iniwanan mo.